Hi again, Marcy Davis here at Quick Start Piano, and it's time for another book tour. Today we've got Five Finger Pop by Brock Chart over at mymelodies.com. His book series comes in two different levels. Book one is late elementary to early intermediate, and then book two is a little bit harder than that. The very cool thing about these books is that they each come with their own backing track, so you're playing along with the band, and the tracks were recorded by real musicians in the studio. So it's pretty authentic, pretty fun. He has three different series for these, each in book one and book two. So he's got Five Finger Pop, which is what we're going to look at today. He's also got Five Finger Rock and Five Finger Jazz, and you can look at those over at his website, my-melodies.com. I was going to show you the other cool thing. The way that you access these backing tracks is each page has its own QR code. So when students are at home, you scan that with your device and it pulls up the website, and it has several choices of speeds that you can practice along. Also, whether you want to hear your part or whether you don't want to hear your part. So several choices there. And then if you're a teacher and you buy the studio license like I did, you can also download the audio files and put them in a program like I do, AnyTune, which then lets me use it in class, and I can make it whichever speed that I would like. So we are going to look a little bit more closely at Five Finger Pop.